Zhenghe Heavy Industry Corporation was established in 1977 in Kaohsiung, Taiwan. Zhenghe designs and manufactures rolling mill plants. This program will introduce a rolling mill plant in Kaohsiung City, Taiwan, that was designed, manufactured, installed, and test run by Zhenghe. The plant is composed of the following 5 operation areas: hot charging and reheating area, rolling mill area, water quenching, dividing shear, and cooling bed area, cold shearing area, bar handling system, The rolling mill plant combines a cold and a hot charging system. This facilitates the use of both stored billets as well as billets produced by a neighboring casting plant. Heating up billets to an adequate temperature consumes the most energy during the production process. With this system, hot billets ejected from the nearby casting plant are directly transporting to the reheating furnace. The hot charging system consists of the billet ejector, the pusher, the inclined chain conveyor, and the turntable. The turntable changes the forwarding direction of the billets by 90 degrees. This design is intended to minimize transportation time and energy waste. Whenever a delay or a gap in hot billet supply occurs, the cold charging system can be brought into the production line to maintain continuity in the workflow. This also facilitates the use of externally produced billet stock. The rolling mill is composed of a series of roughing, intermediate, and finishing stands. These independent stands work vertically, horizontally, and convertible to mill the steel to the appropriate production size. The rolling gap can be regulated by a hydraulic motor. The gap size is indicated on the disc at each stand. It is also monitored from the computer display at the control room. Several loopers are installed between the stands to form single-strand tension-free rolling after the front end of the process section enters the following stand. Each looper is kept at a desired value to ensure stable operation. The loopers can accommodate single, double, and quarto slitting modes according to the type of steel bars being manufactured. Zheng Hexing's rolling mill applies the double and quarto slitting techniques, originally developed by Morgan of the US and BSE of Germany. These techniques enhance production stability, especially for minimizing marketing cost. Flying shears are installed after the last roughing stand and after the last intermediate stand. The flying shear cuts the head and the tail of each bar. They also serve for the protection of the rolling mill line. In case of emergency, the fly shear continues to cut the incoming bars into short pieces to bring the operation to a safe halt. After rolling, the steel bars are quenched immediately. Quenching can transform the peripheral rim of the bar to the state of tempered martensite, while making the core a mixture of ferrite and pearlite. This water quenching enhances mechanical properties such as ductility and yield strength. The pinch rollers draw the bars through the quenching process at a stable speed, and then send the bars to the dividing shear. After being divided, the bars are transported to the cooling bed. The cooling bed is based on a notched rake's design. This mechanism ensures that the bars are evenly positioned, aligned, and air-cooled over a slowly moving crankshaft before reaching the outlet. The cold shear first trims off the irregular ends of the bars. Then the bars are aligned on the beam gauge table, which functions like a ruler to position and measure the lengths of the bars. The bars are then cut according to the desired length of the final products. After the irregular and shorter bars are eliminated, the final products are counted mechanically. Sub-tied into smaller bundles, and then master-tied into larger bundles. Each bundle of bars is weighed and the data are registered. Finally, the bundles are transferred by crane to the storage area and are ready for shipping to the customers. The production flow of this rolling mill plant is controlled by computer so that critical phases such as the rolling gap, looper tension, shearing sizes, and thereby the overall production pace can be monitored and fine-tuned by experienced technicians. The optimal goal is to reach the highest stability and efficiency in the production line. Zheng Heavy Industry Corporation is now a leading designer and manufacturer of rolling mill plants in Taiwan.